Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
We are here as Student Representative Council of BACE. This morning, the SRC led a delegation of students to carry out cleanup exercise within the environs of the college. In fact, we will use this opportunity to thank all students who spend time helping in the cleaning process. The SRC is very grateful, and we stand here to appreciate the commitment they have shown by coming out to support the cleaning exercise. We are also here today as measures to keep the environs of BACE clean and tidy always, to donate few dustbins to the college community. The SRC is demonstrating this act to show our commitment to keeping the college environment clean. So today we are donating these few dustbins and giving an assurance to the college that whenever the need arises for us to support in cleaning, we are always available, and we'll try as much as possible to make sure that the campus is the cleanest campus you can think of as far as Tamale is concerned. Again, we are presenting 4 rest benches. In fact, that even reminds me, we thank the college management. Previously, they donated a huge number of rest benches to the student body. And in fact, the SRC also took note of places that are still lacking rest benches. And we are able to procure 4 to support what the college management have done. On this note, we thank the college management and the entire student body. As the leader of the SRC, I will again thank them and plead with them that they should stay focused, they should stay committed to the task, and at the end of the day, we'll all be celebrating a victory. Thank you. So on this note, we are doing a formal donation to the College Registrar to receive it on behalf of the college and on behalf of SRC as well. So please, so
On behalf of the principal of the college, the management, heads of departments, staff, students, and the BACE community, I stand here to receive these items and to assure the student body that these items will be put to good use. And as the SRC president has previously or earlier indicated, places where these bins will be needed, that is where we will exactly send them for use. And then also the rest benches will be displayed or placed as strategic places where the students can have rest time to discuss academic activities. We are so grateful for your noble effort. And then we look forward to receiving similar things and other better provisions that will support the management of the institution going forward. Thank you so much.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.